Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool wavy text effect on Adobe Illustrator CC. Grab your text tool and type anything you want. I'm just going to type this in, Taylor Swift song, of course. And on this one, I'm going to make the text slightly larger than the one on top, like this. Then you're going to add in space between it, of course, but just a little bit, like this much. Select the text, go to Effect, go to Warp, and go to Wave, and then just preview it and adjust how much wave you want. And then you're just going to say OK. Right click, create outlines, and then you're going to go to object and you're going to expand appearance and press expand again. I'm just going to do that just to make sure it's easier for me to edit later, and I'm going to change this color to this pink, and then I'm just going to copy and paste that, and I'm going to I'm going to make this one very small first, and then I'm going to copy and then Shift Control V, and then I'm just going to make it bigger. Press Shift Alt on your keyboard to do that, and then I'm going to change the color of the text, and I'm just going to press Control C for now. Select both of your text, go to Object, and then go to Blend and select Make. Go to Object again, Blend Options, and choose Specified Steps, and type in 3000 and press OK. Then you're going to want to press Shift Control V again on your keyboard, and you're going to change the color of the text to a brighter color. I'm going to again press Shift Control V, and then I'm going to swap fill and stroke and choose a white outline for it, and I might move it kind of to the right. I hope I'm moving the right thing. Yeah, I am. Okay, just move it to the right a little bit, and maybe make the stroke a little bit thicker than that. Like so you can really see it. Might just move it a tad bit more, and tad more to the top right here, and I might adjust the stroke to 2 points instead. You can adjust it however you like, of course, though. So yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!